All right, sixth grade. I'm just going to go over a little bit in lesson 6 of language. Lesson 6 is due on Friday. So let's just look at that a little bit. You can turn in your books if you want to page 17. Lesson 6 is adjective review. So think about what is an adjective. You should be able to fairly quickly at this point, when I say what is an adjective, you should have that in your head. But if you don't, it's on your reference sheet, and this is adjective review. We've had adjectives before, so this is just reviewing. Adjectives modify nouns or pronouns, and they answer the questions which one, what kind, how many, and whose. There are a lot of adjectives used in language, okay? Remember the articles a, an, and the are adjectives, and then there are different kinds of adjectives. There's 4 different sections here of adjectives, and I'm mostly going to let you just read the directions, look at the examples. There are the examples given of each one, and then you follow directions and do this. And we will go over this on Friday just to see how you did. Okay, please do it. See what you can do. Don't not do it because you don't understand. The directions are self-explanatory. Go back, look at them. Look at the reference sheet, talks about adjectives, and see if you can figure it out. So you have one section of possessive adjectives. When the possessive adjectives are right before a noun or a pronoun, then they are considered adjective. Okay? If it says Rick's heart, then Rick's is an adjective. If it would say, but that when they come right with the noun, then they're considered adjectives. Examples there. The next are predicate adjectives. Predicate adjectives follow linking verbs, and they modify the subject. Participles are verb forms, words that can be verbs, but in this case they are adjectives. All right? The flooded rivers, the frozen lake, the running horse. Okay? Those are participles. Then adjective phrases are prepositional phrases that modify nouns or pronouns. They come right after the noun or pronoun they modify. So that's one hint about adjective phrases. If it's an adjective phrase, if the prepositional phrase is an adjective phrase, that also answers the questions that adjectives normally do, but it will come right after the noun, that noun or pronoun that comes right before the phrase. Let's just look at, so do the odds of this lesson and do the spelling. These are new spelling words, so you may need a dictionary. If you don't have a dictionary, ask your parents about using dictionary.com on the computer or on their phones to match these words with their definitions. I will just go down over and say the words. Please do this carefully. It is a possibility that at least the spelling will be graded on this lesson, so do it well. The spelling words on page 20 are constellation. These have to do with space, outer space, atmosphere, oxygen, astronaut, galaxy, meteor, satellite, crescent, solar, sphere, astronomy, lunar, universe, rotation, eclipse, phase, gravity, revolve, orbit, and theory. All right, have this lesson finished for Friday. We will go over especially the first part there with those make sure you're doing the adjectives correctly and the spelling words for sure. All right, I will talk to you later.